Hi, this is David Papkin. Welcome back to Skype for Business Technical Airlift 2015. And we are doing Lab1, Configuring Enterprise Voice. You had to have done Lab1A and B already, Configuring the Environment. So I'm going to configure dial plans, voice policy, and assigning user dial plans and policies. So familiarize yourself with the voice features. Now the topologies, as you can see right here, great, with the lab number already. And as you can see from my lab demo, I'm using lab 26994. So I'm going to do is into the Skype control panel, the PowerShell, of course right here. I'm going to log into this. So now I'm logged in as the administrator. And I'm going to go in here, go to voice routing. And under the thing is under here, new user dial plan. And the dial plan right here is a new user dial plan. I'm going to create this one right here, Seattle. Simple name, of course, is Seattle. Description on it, Seattle office. And this right here. And I'm going to say, isn't this great? I'm going to commit all. Okay. Successfully published. Good. Now I'm going to create new normalization rules. Dial plan, I'm going to double click on this. Right. And the associated ones right over here. Take a look at this. And we just go new. And the other one, this one, I'm going to call this in Seattle. 7-digit. And this one right here. Length, exactly 7. Okay, and this one, the digits is 0. The digits to add. Plus 1206. And the pattern match on this, let's take a look at this. Oops, let me get rid of this. Getting the pattern match there. Good, and that's the okay. Now the translation rule has been populated as well. And this right there. The dial number to test right there. And we type 555-4008. And go. And you can see, because of this right here, put 1206 in front of it. Then I'm going to do is just say OK. Let's take a look at this one right here. Now this one's set. Now you'll notice on this one right here. Now you'll notice that this one is selected. I want to move this one up. Good. So I move this row to the top of the list. I'm going to create some more normalization rules right here. I'm going to create several more. So as you can see in here, Seattle operator 0. Now in this one, exactly 1. Digits to remove 1. 1206 555. Then I added 408 to this one, and I'm going to type go. This one right here. Go. Okay, so this one right here, if we take a look here. So on this one, the dial number to test. Let's see what we got here. Good. So I have this one right here. Say OK. Fantastic. Now I'm going to add in some more. And this one right here. Now I'm adding the second rule here. Let's see if that worked. Great. So the second one, Seattle 4 digits, starting 4, exactly 4. Oh, exactly 4. Yep, 1 0 to remove. Okay, good. Now I'm going to add Seattle 10 digit. So I've done is on this Seattle 7 digit length. So I've done is this Seattle operator, exactly 1 the digits to add, go, and if everything's okay, you'll see it below, good, it's normalized, say okay. We have another new one. I'm going to do several more. Okay, now Seattle 4 digit, this is 4, exactly 4, digits to remove 0, digits to add, 1 2 6 5 5 5, normalize this, hopefully. Good. Type OK. And now I have a few more on this. I'm going to have also Seattle 10 digit next. $10 digits to remove, 0 digits to add, plus 1. And then I'm going to add this number to the Dialplan to test. I'm going to add 206 555 4008. Go. Should be normalized. Good. Okay. Seattle 11 digit, 7 digit, starting digits 1, exactly 11, digits to remove 0, digits to add plus, and on this one I'm going to add 206 555 4008. Please note that in some of the ones, the other rules that I made, I also did is I had double checked the starting digit. When I did my demo in the other part of the video, perhaps I didn't put the starting digit, so I went back through just to double check it. So please do is double check all of them. For example, internal, see starting digit is in there. Now I'm going to do is on this, on all these ones right here, on the toolbar. Now I'm going to have to do that. They said okay. I hope that they all went in there. Commit all. So look, Seattle 7 digit, operator 4, 10, and 10 digit long distance. And this right here. 11 digit tongue digits, 10 digit internal, 4 digits internal, Seattle operator, Seattle 7. I'm going to look at this Seattle 10 digit again and take a look at it. I just want to verify it on this one right here. Okay. I'm just going to verify. I want to just take a look and make sure. And the one 7 digit. Yeah, because the first one was supposed to be this. And the name of it was Seattle 7 digit. Good. Everything looks really good on this one. Good. Okay, on this one right here. Good. They're all committed on this. I did commit all. Okay. Now on the control plan, I'll close. Good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new pool trunk. And this one right here. Trunk configuration tab right here. Good. No new. Full trunk on this right here. Yes, indeed. Gateway, and you're good. Okay. Encryption level. Optional. Go to the associated rules section right here. Under the rules right now, right? I'm going to go a new one. I'm going to call this one Company PBX. Okay, so the ones to on this one right here. So let's take a look and go over this a bit more. Company PBX. Added this number 206-555. Now we set is on this exactly 12 digits to remove H. And then the numbers, let's see the starting digits on that. Digits to add should be +425 should be 5555. And then let's next one to the next one. Let's see what it does. The translation rule 5555. The next one, it should have added that one. Should populate it, right? Let's do that again. Tab, good. Click OK on this. Good on this one. 206. 25551. Good. OK. Now on this one, OK. Commit all. Successfully published on this one right here. Good. Now I'm going to do is close. And the next one I'm going to do is exercise 2, configuring a voice policy, PSTN usage and route on this one right here. This one. Now I'm going to go down on the voice policy right here. New. User policy. This is going to be Seattle internal only on this one right here. On the associate PSTN. Let's look here. Let's look at that. Okay, we look under this one right here. The associated routes on the toolbar right here. So, no one here. Seattle internal usage, associated routes, new, is right here. Seattle internal PBX. And the starting digits for numbers you want to allow. +1 206 555. Add, and this one right here. And matches, okay, now this one right here, matches pattern. Let's see, takes a look, +2065, looks good. On this one right here. Suppress caller ID. Now this, you could manipulate the caller ID for outgoing calls. So this way I could do is suppress my outgoing extension so people won't know who it is, and it'll just give it the generic corporate or departmental numbers. Now under associated trunks, I'm going to go add this one. Okay. Now this is the trunk created in Lab1 when the environment was created. Now on this one right here, good. Now the translated number to test. I'll pop one in there. Pop one in here, go. Good. Matches the regular expression. Good. It matches the regular expression that I built. I'm going to say OK. 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 Commit all. And the next thing I'm going to do is here, do exercise 3, associate assigning user dialplan plans and policies. Users, fine. I hope that I have Garrett Vargas. Good. Dialplan policy, Seattle. Voice policy manual. I'm going to look at this. Seattle internal only. Commit. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to configure the SIP phone. Sign in with Garrett V. Just right here. Search in here for 3, C, X, phone. And this I'm going to create a profile. I'm going to go new. And this one right here. Account name 6001. Caller ID lab phone. Lab phone 1. Extension on this 6001. On my ID right here 6001. Password VA $$W0RD. And this right here. And I'm in the office local IP 192.168.0.210. I'm going to say OK. So right here on the on hook is displayed. Okay. We're reading it on this right here. Good. It says on hook. Very good. Right here. Excellent. And the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to test inbound calling from a PSTN user. Skype for business clients. Skype for business on this one right here. Look for the client. See up here. Close the welcome. Right there. Now I'm going to switch to the 3C phone. Right now, on this number right here, I'm going to dial 42555. Then I'm going to go 2213. Then I'm going to call. Let's see what happens. My options right here. Accept. Okay, now you can see that it's accepted. Hello, welcome. And I hung up the call. I'm going to test outbound calling on the Skype for Business. I'll find someone to call. 206 555 6001. Then I'm going to call. I'm going to mute my mic.